analysis and trade setups for today. So yesterday's daily, pretty much a nothing day. We are at a major level, and again, we didn't bounce off it. We just sort of flirted with it and stayed in the zone. If you look at the 3-hour, you can see again lots of tails testing it to the underside, and then we're trying to break through at the moment. This is not a clear break at the moment, so it's not giving me any signals at the moment. If you look at the hour price action yesterday, this was messy. I mean, that's proper bob wire. Big up, big down, big up, big down. Lots of tails to the upside, lots of tails to the downside. Not something I like trading. So, I'd rather be looking for a long further down. But looking at this price action, I don't think that is going to transpire. Now, I'm going to come down to 15-minute because this is going to be the chart of choice today. And we have, I suppose we can just put that as our top. And that is our bottom there. Right. So that is our range, basically. And the trend is up. Okay. We're not arguing about that anymore. Trend is up. Higher highs, higher lows. We're looking for longs. Okay. So come down to your lower time frames. You're looking for entries. Long. The only entry long at the moment will be a break and retest of 12,914. So breakout, retest. That's what we're looking for. You've got some resistance ahead of you, pretty much right here, okay, at 12,946. However, if we can get through that, not too worried about that pin bar. The top of that pin bar will be challenged, but if we can get through that, you're looking for your next level. Let me just make sure there's another one. So you can see what I'm doing, just going to a higher time frame. This is the 4-hour, and looking for my previous fractals. And there's one more there. I'm not going to go too far back, but that's pretty much what we're looking for. Okay. So nice and busy lines, but you can see what we're talking about here. 15 minutes. Probably clear it up. Okay. So we've got this range that we're in. We're looking for the breakout retest. First target area is going to be 12,946. I'd expect it to come back. In actual fact, an ideal situation would be a breakout, clean break, test this, come back, test this area, start bouncing, and that would be the long entry right there. And then you'd anticipate a break through this, and you'd be targeting higher up here at 13,046. I'd look at 1,300 as well, so 13,046, 13,095 to 100, and 13,150. Those would be the areas to the upside that I'd be targeting. Not too sure it's going to happen today. If you look at the price action from yesterday, I clean up the chart. So if you look at the price action from yesterday on the hourly, look at this. I mean, there was lots of data that came through, and there was so much indecision. Lots of buyers, lots of sellers, nobody really knowing what's going on, and leaving us in a stalemate. So we could possibly just get this sideways motion for the rest of the day. But anyway, we will be watching this because I think a break and retest of this area would definitely offer some value for me to get long. So that's 12,912. Okay. Anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Hope it helps, and we'll catch you later. Cheers for now.